XRP Army. Today I have an absolutely incredible and unexpected prediction for all of you in 2025. So guess what? We've received some excellent updates. As you can see, XRP is moving really nicely, and I believe now is an excellent opportunity to share with you a number of amazing news updates that many people are simply not talking about or are not quite informed enough on at the present. Because there is a lot going on with SBI Holdings, who will be in charge of XRP payments across all Japanese banks, as well as a number of large US-based corporations making significant investments in XRP and other cryptocurrencies. So I'd like to start by just talking about this. Bitcoin has undergone a roller coaster journey over the previous few weeks. It started at $105,000 per coin, dropped to around $90,000 per coin, and is now back up to $97,000. And it appears that it will continue to trend upward over the next few days, which is quite exciting because the rest of the crypto market will be following suit. You've surely seen that XRP has once again deviated from the market, outperforming Bitcoin and nearly every other cryptocurrency, with XLM gaining significantly more than even XRP. The ISO US-based crypto companies have been absolutely crushing it. And there's a very excellent reason for it, which we'll get to in a second, but first, let's speak about this. Morgan Stanley's E-Trade, which manages $1.3 trillion in assets, is apparently considering launching cryptocurrency trading. Now you may be wondering why this is such a significant deal for XRP. Number one, XRP will be traded. But have a look at this. Morgan Stanley views Ripple to be a major worldwide payment alternative to SWIFT. Morgan Stanley's document states, XRP's system is more efficient than Bitcoin and more similar to what traditional banks do now. Morgan Stanley is mindful of the big picture, so of course they will be trading cryptocurrency with E-Trade in the near future, which, to be clear, could bring billions of dollars into the crypto market and really open us up to a new market, a new generation of traders that, frankly, weren't really available before to the older generations. They will look for ways to help incorporate Ripple technology to replace SWIFT, and it is in their best interests to do so. Morgan Stanley does not have a stake in SWIFT like some of the other large players in the market, so they want this to happen and will work with us to make it a reality. So Morgan Stanley's increased involvement in the industry, given the trillions of assets under management, will be a huge event for XRP. Army and I wanted to share that piece of good news with you guys since there's also some other really wonderful things occurring, such as this post from Chad that was recently shared. He continues, if you think China isn't involved, I have news for you. This is the triangle. The triangular Ripple Payments partner bankless supported for China's UnionPay. UnionPay is a Chinese real-time settlement system already connected throughout the world, much as SWIFT presently. UnionPay, as you would guess, processes trillions of dollars in transactions as part of the world's second largest economy, and these are all Chinese banks connected through this system, which is also supported by the triangular Ripple Payments partner bank list. So this is essentially Ripple's addressable market in China today. This is a listing of banks, with all of their card number prefixes and card number lengths. You can view everything right here. They are all there, guys. This list includes 66 banks, many of which are incredibly large. Okay, so I have to say that this is completely ludicrous, especially if we do get connected here, and of course, with SWIFT and the Morgan Stanley story. This is undoubtedly going to be some of the most positive news you can possibly imagine for XRP. I mean, we are talking about cryptocurrency. If we properly incorporate it into these networks, we will pay hundreds of dollars each coin, like easily. Probably even more than that. So, do I think this will happen this year? We have yet to see this happen. However, we do know what will happen in Japan this year. Okay? Japan, SBI Holdings, and XRP integration. Japan is also... There are no shocks here, given the economy is vast. All of the Japanese banks, as well as a list of digital wallet operators in Japan, are linked to Ripple's partner Tranglo. This list contains 14,532 banks, all of which are networked through Tranglo, a Ripple partner. So if these folks are on the XRPL, we have the Chinese banks on the XRPL, and we also have these US connections with Morgan Stanley. You better believe this is a recipe for success, and I know a lot of you want that shocking XRP price prediction. Listen, there is a lot of awesome stuff going on right now, and I want to talk about it all with you because, to be honest, the last few days have been really awesome. I mean, look at this. You can see the charts right here. I got right here pretty much right at the bottom at $212 per coin on XRP, and since then we've gone from $2 to $41. You know, that is amazing how much we've ran up in the last 24 hours alone. We're up 6.8%, and it looks like there's no signs of slowing down now. There are a few reasons for this, the first of which is that this is perhaps the most bullish indication of them all. First and foremost, you should consider, not to brag, but these buys and sells for all of my futures holdings are ridiculous, guys. On the daily charts, I almost always buy at the bottom and sell at the high. Okay, not to pat myself on the back or anything, but I feel like I'm doing a pretty good job here. But with that stated, I want you to pay attention to this right here. Okay, this is the stochastic RSI for XRP, and what you can see right here is a very bullish motion moving forward. Guys, the last time we saw anything like this was back in October. We've been waiting for this moment for a long time, and I believe we're about to witness a rally comparable to what we had in late November, early December, when we went from approximately $1.35 per coin to about $2.87 per coin. Yes, I believe we will break $3 per coin on XRP incredibly soon. We're going to see some extremely incredible gains, and XRP won't be the only one. If you are also holding XLM, I'd want to point you what it is doing right now. Just look at this candle from yesterday, which is 27.98% today. Yes, we've slowed down a little, but we've still gained roughly 9.1010% in the last 24 hours. So certainly, I'd like to remind you that XLM moved a lot more aggressively than XRP did the prior time, simply because it has a lower market capitalization. So I'm quite excited to watch this as well. I mean, we've seen 50% gains in a single day with XLM before, and HBAR is another one you should look into. I'm invested in all three of these coins, and while XRP and XLM appear to be the finest short-term investments, you should not overlook HBAR because it is also capable of making massive profits. On those days when XLM was up 50%, so was HBAR, correct? So HBAR is phenomenal. And certainly there is great opposition at the 30-cent threshold, but you simply want to ensure that you are exposed to a variety of initiatives. That's simply a technique to make good money in these markets, okay? So with that said, where is XRP headed in the short, medium, and long term? Well, guys, I'm still quite powerful from this. XRP is expected to reach $20 per coin during the peak of the current cycle in 2025. I believe we will soon break $3 in January. I think we're going to do it. And of course, in February, March, and April, we'll witness true fireworks, a price explosion. Once we have the inauguration and those wonderful new rules in place for XRP and US-based crypto startups, the magic will begin. Okay, gentlemen. I believe that buying XRP at today's price is a fantastic strategy. In my own view, this is not financial advice, but I buy every day. I'm buying $200 of XRP every day, even at today's pricing after this rise, since I'm quite bullish. And this is entirely futures trading, so that's unique. Approximately 85% of my funds are in spot trading, not futures. Futures is just how I generate a little more money by swing trading every few days along the route, guys. So, with that said,